What's up, crypto fam? Welcome back to another episode. If you guys are new here, we do a crypto giveaway at the beginning of every single episode. But before we get to that, today's winner of the last month's giveaway for the gaming monitor is Who's the Boss. Congratulations, Who's the Boss. Thank you so much for liking previous videos and also entering into the giveaway. If you guys want to enter in this month's giveaway for a GTX 960 graphics card, the link is in the description below. Also, if you guys want to win crypto on the next video, like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. In today's video, we're going to be talking about the biggest airdrop / giveaway in history. I've been working closely with the Blockchain Wallet team. They're super nice, based here in San Francisco and also London. Today's episode is about their $125 million airdrop. Before we talk about the $125 million giveaway in Stellar on their platform, we should talk about the actual product. Stellar is a platform that's open source, allowing people to exchange assets of any kind on their network. I've been a fan of Stellar for a couple of years now. They originally launched in 2014, about a year after I got involved in crypto. Stellar is a very cool concept. I love the network. I love products that are being built on Stellar, and overall, I'm very excited for this giveaway. If you don't already have a blockchain.com account, I'll be leaving the link to that in the description below, but I'm going to go through my account so you guys get a chance to see how you can claim $25 in XLM, aka Stellar. So let's dive right into how you can join the biggest crypto giveaway in history. Right when you come in, you can see that you enter in your email address, you verify you're not a robot, just so that they're not getting botted. I'm sure that they're already getting botted by thousands of people from all over the world to get access to some of this Stellar. So the breakdown here, in a nutshell, is that the $25 worth of XLM or Stellar Lumens is going to be distributed out to whoever signs up for this. This is a brilliant marketing campaign by Blockchain Wallet to bring people onto their platform to fill their wallets with Stellar. Stellar set up this really cool website, learn.stellar.org, where you can go and see a simplified down version of what they do. And I love this concept, and I think that all projects should do this, whether, not necessarily a subdomain if they don't want to, but I just think that everyone should be simplifying things down. So this is a very good tactic on Stellar's part. It's an open network for sending and exchanging any kind of value. Stellar allows fiat currencies to instantly move anywhere in the world, just like email. There are dozens of fiat-backed stablecoins already on the network, from USD to Naira to CNY. Stellar makes it easy to digitize any asset, from currencies to carbon credits, so they can move over the internet with ease. And because Stellar has a built-in order book, trades occur with minimal latency, high security, and low fees. A lot of these networks, for example, Ethereum, are very, very complex to the average person. And the idea that they've spent a lot of time boiling this language down, it makes it really, really easy for people like me to walk through this and share this. Stellar's consensus protocol is designed to support the requirements of real assets. No forks, no energy wasting, and no unfair staking. The upshot, counterparties can transact trustlessly at very low costs. And last but not least, they mention their ecosystem's momentum. Stellar usage has soared since its launch in 2014 as forward-thinking teams have sought out a functional, scalable, and flexible network to build modern financial applications. As you can see on the graph over to the right here, this is just Q1 16 to Q4 18. Look at the spike that happened from Q1 17 through Q4 18. 5.1 million total trades on the Stellar decentralized exchange and 9.7 total payments on Stellar. And it looks like that spike really took off in Q1, Q2 of 2018. That is a pretty amazing graph as far as proving out their momentum. When you guys are logged in to your blockchain wallet, you just go down here and it says Stellar New. When you click on that, or you can go to this page that they have created that support basically like an FAQ page as to a little bit more granular on what Stellar is and why they're doing this massive airdrop. That's it for my overview of how you can join the $125 million XLM giveaway. Really bullish on blockchain wallet. As you guys know, I've talked about it in the past, mainly because you keep your private keys and it's not a custodial service like Coinbase. It's a core fundamental, and a lot of people think that it's a nuance, but the reality is on blockchain.com, you have access to 100% of your coins because you have the private keys in your possession. Compared to Coinbase, where you do not have your private keys, they are holding those assets for you, similar to a bank. So all in all, I'm very excited for the fact that they listed Stellar on blockchain.com, and I'm also excited for the fact that they are giving $125 million worth of Stellar out to people that sign up through Blockchain Wallet, and they're able to claim their XLM. Brilliant marketing, great product that they're giving away to users. It's an all-around win. So all the links are in the description below. If you guys like this video, slap a like. If you guys are new here, don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you on the next episode of Hack Crypto.